A stately saguaro stands duty at the north pedestrian gate, brimming with new flora. Saguaro flowers bloom typically at dusk and remain open till about mid morning the next day. A single saguaro can produce as many as 100 flowers in a season. The saguaro flower relies on a number of desert dwellers to help with the pollination process. This includes bees, moths, hummingbirds, and white-winged doves. As these creatures get nectar from the bloom, they become covered in pollen, which is then transported and deposited onto other flowers. But their best for life is the bat. The night blooming schedule of these beautiful buds is the ideal time for bats, who use their brush-tipped tongue to extract large quantities of nectar from the flower. The bright white visibility of these flowers also makes it easy for the bat to spot as they move along the dark desert sky. Saguaro flowers are often described as having a pungent, sweet melon scent, the official state flower of Arizona. The experience of this author was a kind of very sweet dried fig taste when eaten after drying, just before falling off the saguaro limb. Dutch scientists, researchers at insectology technology startup, announced in a press release this week that they had trained more than 150 bees to identify samples containing the virus COVID-19 based on its scent. The group said the bees were given a sugar water solution reward each time they were exposed to an infected sample, upon which the bees extended their tongues to receive the solution. Because of their sensitivity to smells, the bees can be trained within just a few minutes to detect volatiles and odors, then associated the reward with positive samples and began sticking out their tongues after being exposed to the COVID-19 scent alone, the researchers said. The scientists noted that the study indicated overwhelming promise results with only a small number of false positives and false negatives recorded. So, the next time you invite your neighbors over for wine and conversation, and 150 bees pass by with their tongues sticking out, well, someone in the group, contagious?